Iris Factory Automation specializes in end-of-line packaging automation solutions. Specifically, we have fine-tuned our collaborative and industrial palletizing systems based on the need of our clients' feedback over the years. My name is Chris Budney. I'm the Engineering Execution Manager here at Iris Factory Automation. And what really sets us apart from other palletizing companies is our intuitive and easy-to-use HMI system. It includes drag and drop features, custom add-ons, and we've also partnered with Banner Engineering to really simplify the lighting and indication as well as safety factors in those systems.
Iris first approached us with needs for lighting and indication products, but they were designing a new product and looking for something new and innovative.
So we partnered with Banner to really bring easy-to-use lighting and indication as well as new safety measures to protect operators so that you could have one operator at a quick glance see multiple lines and respond accordingly to keep production running smoothly.
They had a lot of different ideas and were looking for innovative ways to differentiate their equipment from competitors, and we had a number of different products to approach the solution.
Found out through them all the different advanced products that they have that really fit our systems well and took our systems to the next level. They helped us implement the Banner Pro lights, touch buttons, e-stops, as well as safety scanners.
They started to implement IO-Link to be able to utilize all of the animations and feature sets on the product line.
On a lot of the products that we did implement, they actually were products that Banner brought to us that they built on what we were actually asking for and gave us a product that really fit our systems perfectly.
It's a good relationship back and forth, lots of good innovative concepts from Banner and from Iris in terms of applying the products in unique ways.
I would absolutely recommend Banner Engineering to anyone who's looking for a reliable, knowledgeable, and innovative partner. Across the board, we've been extremely happy with our relationship.